I'm Marcel Weibel. I'm the supervisor of the technical workshop here at the site. We must look at the technical workshop that our production is running and keeps running, or improve it even more. Because we are a big plant with many different steps of production, so I have a special team for maybe pumps, maybe ovens, and I decide who I send best. Just like here at home, I also love to work with technical stuff. So I looked something to make it a bit more professional. Then I found Shaper, tried it, and it was a much distance to the other things I tested. Everything we had to mile or grind, we get as hand sketch or just a phone call. And I wanted something better. Don't get me wrong, every hand sketch is, I think, good. The person who makes the sketch knows what he meant. But if you take the sketch, give it to another worker, and even this worker give it over to an apprentice or something else, and you can misunderstand some things. So I just got a call again from research and development on Teams, and it just said, hey, wait, because they start up speaking, hey, we need this, that here, can you do this? And I'm just, what do you want? So I opened my iPad, joined it in Teams, opened Shaper, and just started drawing what they were talking about. So we could talk about what they saw right in front of them, right on the Teams meeting. Then I started thinking, hey, wait a second. All of my team has an iPad. We have to do technical stuff every day. We have drilling machines, mining, grinding, everything. Why don't we use it? I done just the tutorial of the clamp, and I think this is everything you need. And then you can start. I just can hand over my iPad, say here, take 20 minutes, make the clamp holder, and then make the work order I give you. We have it right where we need it. We just go out to the machine, you just take the iPad and do it right there. You don't have back, measure something, go back to PC. You saw our plant, many buildings. You don't have to walk miles to get the PC.